Welcome, in front of me I have Apple Watch SE and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the side button, then press and hold on the middle of the screen to open the watch face menu, and here you can swipe left and right to scroll through the list of watch faces. As you can see, we have only 2, but you can add more by scrolling to the right, tapping on the plus button right here, and now you can swipe up and down or use the crown to scroll through the list, find the watch face you like and tap on it to apply it. For example, let's select this one. As you can see, the watch face was applied, and we can open the watch face menu again, and now we have 3 watch faces and we can keep adding them on. You can also edit some of the watch faces. To do it, open the watch face menu, and here you have edit button. Tap on it. Now we can change the character on our watch face by using the crown like this. Then we can swipe left, change the color like that, then swipe left, and here we have widgets. We can tap on one to change it, for example like that. Second one, let's change it to conditions, and the last one, let's change it to compass, for example. And once you're done, simply press the crown to go back and then tap on the watch face to apply it. You can also change the watch face by using the phone app. So let's bring our phone right here. Open the watch app on our phone. In the app we have My Faces category right here, and we can change them by tapping on one. Here you can, of course, customize it, change the color, change the character, for example, koala, change the widgets. We can only select the calendar here, and at the bottom we can select anything. So let's select activity, for example. And once you're done and you want to apply your watch face, simply tap on Set as Current Watch Face and wait for a couple of seconds in the watch face. As you can see, it's applied now. Okay, we can also add more watch faces right here in the app. To do it, tap on Face Gallery, and here you have list of watch faces. You can browse through it, find the one you like and tap on it. For example, let's tap on the moon right here. You can select the view, again the widgets, then tap add to add your watch face to the list. Go back to my watch. Here we have my watch faces, and you can tap on the watch face, again adjust the settings, and then tap Set as Current Watch Face like this. You can also edit this watch face list. To do it, tap on edit button right here. Right here we can change the order of the watch faces on the list. To do it, press and hold on the watch face and then drag it to the desired place. You can also remove them by tapping the minus button like this and then tapping remove. And once you're done, tap done. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.